phone. Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
You can like put it on, but
erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Morning, everyone. Well, now that we've had our coffee and we've relaxed for a little bit, it's time to get motivated for the day. Today I wanted to take you outside to show y'all our little farm. So besides cleaning on the inside, we wanted to show you what we do on the outside. So if y'all are ready, let's get started. Like my boots?
Wish you will end up.
Welcome, guys, and welcome to Life on the Savage Farm. I'm Jessica Savage, a mom of 3 to Christopher, Alyssa, and Dylan. You've seen them playing with the card track on the kitchen floor. Today I'm going to show you what it's like being a farmer to all these fur babies out back. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up before you go. The loud sound that my ducks are making are letting you know how excited they are for the pond. They cannot wait to get out there and start playing around in it. I don't know about y'all, but I can watch my ducks bathe, quack, and play all day. It's like therapy to me.
Gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better.
Now these little creatures right here, my favorite breed. We have Cochins, Frizzles, and actually breeding more of these as we speak. As a chicken mama, you better believe all these little chickens have names. These chickens are the size of a soccer ball, and they're so sweet and great for our kids to play with.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot.
So each pen that you've seen so far while letting out all of our animals, my husband Chris has built. Sure, I'd be right by his side helping him, but this man did it all. What started with 6 baby chicks in April 2018 became this big today. We'll have to show y'all in another video how we built them and what we use when we do our upgrades in another video. This tarp that we have here is to cover the nesting boxes closer to the evening time when the chickens coop up. It's to let them know to perch on their roosting bar and not inside the box. We do this because we don't want the chickens to hurt each other trying to squeeze up in a box on top of each other at night. So this makes them go to the roosting bar to be evenly spread out. Oh, and my husband built all of these nesting boxes. Pretty cool, huh? But I get the credit for putting in the wood shavings and painting it.
On my mind's loving's on
What I'm doing now is I'm getting all of the duck eggs from their pen. They usually are already done laying by the time I'm letting them out in the morning. So I'll go ahead and grab all of those, and then later in the evening I will grab all of the chicken eggs. That's when they're usually done laying for the day. You see how some of the duck eggs are laying on the ground, but then in this corner here they're dug into the ground. That's because after my ducks have laid them, and then when it's time for them to bathe or go out into the yard to free range, they'll cover their eggs so I cannot find them. So I'll have to dig a little bit to retrieve their eggs. Once I've gathered all the eggs, I'll come back into our house and set them in their bowls that I have here on the counter. I usually would take them and go directly to the sink, set them in there, and start washing them for orders. However, today is Saturday, and I just end up gathering all the eggs on the weekend to give myself a break until Monday morning. And don't worry, after I had set the bucket on the counter, I went ahead and sanitized it and wiped it down because obviously the duck pen was not a very clean place.
Seems like I'm the one to lose. I might be crying, but baby, so will you. You tell them stories from one point of view. You say that I'm the one who messed it up too.
What? Y'all didn't think I was gonna run off with coffee, did you?
Alright, now that we've eaten, we're in the duck pen. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning in here. Y'all, I didn't realize that this animal can be so dirty. I think I have the dirtiest animal in the world. You see? I told you! That just makes you appreciate your cat and your dogs so much more, because ducks, very dirty. What I'm doing now is I'm turning the valve to this container here and draining out all the dirty water. Now what I'm doing here is taking the hose and pushing the excess dirt in the duck's tub to help it get out the pipe. We have this tub because it lasts longer from having us to change out the water daily like we used to. It was a definite trial and error with these ducks.
I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna stay, gotta be alone. Let's talk, meet me at the avenue.
This stuff that I'm using here is just Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. Really no preference here, just trying to get off the stuck-on dirt and algae from the tub. That way I can fill it back up with fresh, clean water.
Tonight, I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you move, the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said.
case y'all are wondering what I'm pulling in and out of the duck's tub, that is a cement curved paver. It's to help the ducks to get in and out of their tub.
Making me say, but let's talk. Are you at the avenue? I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I can see time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me. Like a song in the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I can see time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me. Like a sword in the water.
Now Chris and I will be going to each pen to check on all the food containers and the waterers for our animals. We want to make sure they're filled, they're clean, and they don't need anything else. What we feed our ducks and our chickens, it's the Purina Premium Poultry Feed, Layena Pellets, and Crumble.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
The water that Chris is cleaning out, I had ordered that from Jeffers.com. I love it because it holds 35 gallons of water, but I hate it at the same time because it's so hard to clean the algae off of the inside. All you get is that small top hole to work with. So we actually found some new hanger waterers for our chickens to use. In love with them already. Easy to clean, the chickens can't get it dirty. So you'll be seeing lots of changes in our next farm video.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
What I'm going to do here is refill the nesting boxes for my little cochins and frizzles. They like to push it out or rake it out with their feet when they're trying to get ready to lay an egg. So as you can see, it's all over the pen floor here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it back up. If y'all are wondering, my husband built these sets of nesting boxes as well. He's done everything so far.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my
Well, that's it for our Saturday morning routine, guys. I hope you had fun hanging out with us on our little farm today. You got to experience what it's like to have all of these animals, and maybe now you'll go out to get your very own. I'm just kidding, but they're awesome if you do. We're so glad to have you with us, and thank you for being a part of our YouTube family. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell to be notified of more videos. Give it a thumbs up for making it all the way through, and I will see you right back here again with a brand new video. Bye!